Hey guys, it's Tootie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video. I'm doing some nail art prep for displaying or whatever. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm working with. So today I'm actually going to be redoing a few of these. I showed you guys, if you ever seen my past videos or any that's new, I had this hanging on I had this like pinned to my wall so that people can just, you know, see them, give them ideas of different rhinestone designs that they can get on their nails. But as you guys can see, something happened. I think my kids did this, but anyway, today I'm going to be redoing those. So I got these little nails, and I thought when I ordered these, I thought I ordered clear, but apparently I didn't. I got white. I mean, not clear. I thought I got natural, but I just ended up with white. So I'm gonna just stick these on here like this, and what I'm sticking them on is this putty stuff. So it's like tack and stick or something like that. You can find, I've seen these at the dollar store, I've seen them at Walmart. Just gotta look around and find it. So I'm gonna put my little nail tip. So I'm gonna start with 5 of them today. I'm gonna just do 5. And yeah, I decided to use number 1 because I don't use these that much, just because they're white. I wanted the natural ones, so I'll probably have to reorder them, but for this purpose I'm just gonna go ahead and use them. So what I have is a toothpick for my glue, a nail form because I'm gonna put my glue on here, and then I have a wax stick. I saw a few comments on my other video for how to get your rhinestone to last 4+ weeks. Everybody's saying they're cloudy. I had that problem too. However, as you can tell on these, none of them have that problem, and that's because I use this. I go around it, and I did mention that in the video. You can go around with your top coat. Make sure it's a no wipe top coat, and then you put a tiny bit of, don't go over the stones, you just go around them really close, and then you can get inside and in between, and make sure you put that top coat like that. Not only does it get rid of the cloudiness that you might see from the Gorilla Glue, but it also seals your crystals in even more. Okay, so we're gonna do that today. Okay guys, let me move this over. So these are the rhinestones I'm working with. I'll probably just end up using either these, just these like crystal AB ones or whatever, just because that's all I have on my display for now. So I'm gonna just start with that. Oops. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started. So I think I want to redo. See, these are big. See, these are like thumbnails. I should have made them a little. I should have picked smaller nails. Oh well, I'm gonna just do it. So I'm probably gonna start with this one. This one's the easy one. So I'm gonna start with that one to redo it. And then I'll show you guys. I'm gonna just show this one pretty slow, but the other ones I'll probably fast forward. So I'm gonna take my Gorilla Glue, dab it on. See, for like a bigger stone, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you can see a little better what I'm doing. I hope that's clear enough. So for like a big stone, that amount of glue should be okay. If you put the stones on, well, this might be too much. If you put the stones on and they spread, the glue spreads, you put too much. So you're definitely gonna know. See, you can't see the glue. So you can a little now that I pushed it down, but so I'm gonna take some more of the glue. I'm gonna just do a small dab on the side because I'm gonna take this one. I think this is like a number 8 or something. I'm gonna just put it on the side here. Okay. And you can see the glue, but that's okay because we're just gonna go around it with some top coat. But try to avoid it as much as you can. Sometimes it's just inevitable. It's gonna happen. And when you're doing someone's nails, it's not like you can wipe it off. You just gotta work with it. So there's that. Move this up a little. Then I'm gonna take some more. I'm gonna put one there. Sometimes you can do a few dabs of glue at a time, but you gotta be quick. Don't waste too much time, because it will dry, especially if you put a little. So I'm gonna glue this one first. Boom. Then I'm gonna do this one. Okay, I think I got that. Oops, sorry if I bumped you. Alright. And now I'm gonna take another big one, since this is a bigger nail. Put it right there in the center. And honestly, we could leave this just like this and put a little tiny one, a medium, and then a tiny one. And I think that would be cute. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I hope it's focusing good enough for you. I feel like it's trying to focus. There. So I think I'm going to start with this one. So all I'm going to do is do that. Then I'm going to take this one off. And I'm going to do that. Oh, the white doesn't look too bad. Let me see. I was wondering if it was going to not like look as good with the white. Then I'm going to take this one. Then this one. Put that on. And then put this one on. Okay. So that is what I have for the rhinestone designs for today. I just love this. I'm gonna push it down a little more. I love all of these looks. I just love them so much. They're all my favorite looks. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or any other ideas for me, let me know. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.